Once you start up these steps, it's a climb to the top here. This is one of the at the top of the observation deck anyway. It's quite the view. We're going to the bottom of the falls. Closing in on the top now. All right, so they got the trail closed over that way and a reroute across the creek there. But you can see where the observation deck is completely taken out by Helene, and it's part of the kind of bridge-ish below here. But that's the payoff. That is Upper Catawba Falls right there. All those stairs. Get over here and check this out. Pretty nice little spot to get wet if you're interested in it too. Hang out in the plunge pool down here. Pretty chilly. And you can climb around under the rocks a little bit over there, but we're gonna hang out for a little bit and then take the ridge trail back to the car.